The downtrend is obvious. When we got back up to the top of the trend channel on Thursday, Friday had an opportunity to break it out to the upside. I don't know, well, I'm sorry, it may not have been Friday, last week anyways. Then they started tanking it, which told us that the bulls failed to break it out through this level. They've given up. That made the bottom of the trend channel the next target. But as we can see, the last couple of days, they've traded below the low of this trend channel, telling us that that's not acting as a support level anymore. This means there should be some more downside. As expected, today the NASDAQ came down and tested this low level. Stochastic still heading down. If it breaches this level, obviously both indexes are probably heading for the 200-day moving average. Commodity traders, corn looks like it failed the top of this trend channel with some bearish candles that now broke through the T-line and the 50. Any weakness could be taking it back down. If you draw a line at the bottom of this trend channel, that does equate to where the 200-day moving average should be meeting. This one can be shorted on weakness tomorrow. Our recommendation on SQNM today still gives a perfect example of why the signals and the patterns are more powerful than what the general market is doing. We can see this J-hook pattern, fry pan bottom developing, and the positive trading today would have warranted buying this stock because it was breaking out into new high territory while the market was actually sagging. But what you want to do is go with the flow. The market is in a downtrend. Notice the left-right combination, bearish engulfing after a doji, failing right here at the T-line. This is an ANN, making the 200-day a viable target. A decent percentage return, pretty close to about a 15% return if it comes down to this level. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms. Just remember that this weekend we will be doing this coming weekend, we will be doing a 2-day training session that if you've done the study on the 12 major signals, we're going to take it to the next level of how you use those major signals to analyze which price patterns, which breakout situations are about ready to occur, how to use the stop losses effectively using candlestick signals, how to use entry and exit strategies to maximize your trade probabilities of being in the right trade at the right time and getting out at the right time. We're also going to show how to use the candlestick signals for our trend analysis so we know which way the indexes are going and how to not be fooled and come out of a trade situation too early based upon the surrounding criteria for making candlestick signals work effectively. With that, everybody have a good evening. We'll see you in the chat rooms.